So you can close your eyes. So you can be comfortably seated. Close your eyes and bring your focus on your breath. As you take 3 deep breaths, you will notice your breath in rhythmic motion. You have experienced it before, so your unconscious will help you know all the steps to go deeper in this state of relaxation. Experience the rhythmic motion of your breath. You can slowly and steadily bring your focus on your hands. You would notice heightened sensation around your fingers. You can slowly and steadily bring your focus on your feet and experience heightened sensation around your feet. When you experience heightened sensation around your feet, you can slowly nod your head and let me know. Great. Slowly and steadily, you can bring your focus on your shoulders. Sooner or later, you would experience heaviness around your shoulders. When you experience heaviness, you can nod your head. Thank you. Slowly and steadily, you can bring your focus on your elbows and on your hands. You would notice heaviness around your elbows and your hands. Slowly and steadily, you can bring your focus around your throat area and you may experience dryness around your throat. Thank you. You would experience heaviness in your eyes as you bring your focus on your eyes. When your eyes become heavy, you can nod your head and let me know. Your eyes are shielded shut. Harder you try to open your eyes, more difficult it becomes for you to open. Your eyes are shielded shut. Harder you try to open your eyes, more difficult it becomes for you to open. Imagine you are standing in a corridor and there are 20 stairs going downwards. As you climb down the stairs, you will go deeper in the state of relaxation. As I start counting from 20 to 1 in reverse order, you can start climbing down the stairs with your left foot first. Are you ready? Great. So I am counting, starting to count. Take your left foot first and start climbing down the stairs. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Imagine or pretend to imagine that you are standing in a corridor, and this corridor looks something like a platform of a ship. There are another 10 stairs which will take you further deep and take at the basement of this ship. So I will start counting from 10 to 1 in reverse order, and you can start climbing down the stairs, going to the basement. When you are ready, nod your head and let me know. Great. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you can imagine that you are in a basement of a ship, something like a ship, where there are many switches and regulators. You can look around the ship, take your time, and find a regulator like one we have in fan to increase and reduce the speed. You will find a regulator which represents a control to your pain in your back and the lower back area. When you are able to find that switch, you can nod your head and let me know. You can tell me at what number this switch is on. 1 is the lowest, 10 is the highest. 10 means high pain, 1 is lowest pain. So 10 to 1. You can check and let me know where that switch is, that regulator is on number. Are you
3, sir.
saying 3? Okay. So it is 3. Uh, do you want to reduce the pain further? Great. So you can turn the switch and reduce the pain. As you turn the switch and reduce the pain, you would experience sooner or later reduction of pain in your back and lower back area. When you have turned the switch around, you can nod your head and let me know. Great. So once you have reduced the pain in your back and the lower back area, if there is anything else you need to do, you can let me know. Or done, you can nod your head and let me know. Great. So I will start counting from 1 to 10. You can climb up the stairs and come to the corridor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you're on the corridor and you can see a room in front of you. You can open the door and go inside the room. When you enter the room, you can nod your head and let me know. Great. As you enter the room, you will notice multiple beautiful lights of different colors falling on your body. These lights represents different, every light would represent some positive feeling or positive emotion. See those lights falling on your body. As these lights fall on your body, each and every atom and molecule of your body is absorbing those lights, and positive emotions are increasing in you. Silence or the noise in the background will help you absorb those positive lights. See, all the positive emotions in you are increasing. See the lights falling on the part of your back and the lower back, relieving you further from any discomfort and pain, whatever was left. As these lights fall on your body and your body is absorbing those lights, all the positive emotions and energies are increasing in you. You are now more confident, confidence level is increasing, positivity is increasing, you are happier, joyful, calm, peaceful, relaxed. Your body continues to absorb all the positive lights, feeling the level of energy is rising. The blessings from the Almighty, the divine power in which you believe in, further increases the positivity and energy in you. Enjoy this feeling for around a minute. My silence and the noise in the background will help you absorb all the positivity further. Once you have absorbed all the positivity is at the peak. You can come out of the room, back to the corridor. And when you are back to the corridor, you can nod your head and let me know. Great. Now I'm going to count from 1 to 5, and slowly and steadily you are going to come out of the normal, come out of the relaxed state in the normal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I will count from 1 to 5 once again, and again you will slowly come out of your relaxed state further and open your eyes. 1, 2, integrate. 3, integrate all personalities and physical, all bodies and personalities, integrate with your physical body totally and completely right now. Integrate. 4, 5. You can slowly and steadily open your eyes.
It was a great feeling.
Thank you.
Great feeling, sir.